today's project is gonna be to dig a post hole right here. So I borrowed this post digger, which is almost taller than me, from a friend. So I'm gonna use this. I have a ton of rocks over here in this area. So I'm also gonna use this. What is this even called? See how green I am? I don't even know what the tools are called. I don't know what this thing is called either, but it's great for getting the rocks out. So these are gonna be my main tools that I use for this project today. So with that said, I got my tunes ready. Gonna be listening to some good old Linkin Park to get me pumped up, and we're gonna see how this goes. I don't even think I've gotten like 6 inches down. Just a bunch of rock. This is what I'm up against. Big rocks like this in that hole, and I gotta dig down 2 feet. Unfortunately, I ran into a little bit of a complication. I don't think that was rock that I hit, so I stopped. So I have to relocate. After all that work and all this sweat, I have to relocate. What makes this so complicated is that my irrigation is running right along this wall that shoots out that way to my grass. So I'm not only worried about the gas line, which is what I feel like is right there, but I'm worried about the irrigation line as well. I think where I'm standing right now is a good spot, so I'm gonna give it a shot here and let's see what happens. So I'm about to get back at it. I paused a little bit of an intermission because I wanted to be safe here. The first hole that I dug, I felt like I hit something, and I felt like I could also smell something. So I paused and I had the gas company come out to check. They said everything is good, and as a matter of fact, my gas line is not even over here. So sounds like I dug the second hole for no good reason, but I'd rather be safe. I had my family leave, I had them come and check, and we're good to go. All right, so I'm back at it. I've dug the hole, the post is in there, and now I'm about to apply this bag of Fast 2K. So basically this stuff equates to a bag of concrete, cement. So I wanted to try this out and use this instead. I don't like mixing or dealing with cement, so I figured this would be a better option. And we're gonna pour that down into this hole here. Guys, I got it done. Can you believe it? I actually got it done. I'm so proud of myself for sticking with this because I was ready to quit, but I got it up. It's not the ideal placement because of everything that's happening here, but I can simply move it out of the way, or they can move it out of the way whenever they come and they need to do something. So that's not a big deal. But this thing is in there. It's nice and sturdy. This is nice and sturdy. Can you tell by the smile on my face that I'm so proud of myself? This is awesome. So, all right, now I'm gonna test this sucker out and see how the retraction and everything works. So let's get to that part. As with all of the other attachments that I have, I'm gonna go ahead and do a quick connect on their handle here to make life a little bit easier. This is a nice little handle they have here. The reason I even got the 100-foot hose is because I couldn't reach the parkway here. So let's see what we can do now. Easy peasy. So now I'm gonna go ahead and retract this thing. I'm gonna show you as much as I can about the retraction. I'm not comfortable with just letting it go, so I'll be walking it back to see if it's actually retracting the way that it's supposed to, but I'm not gonna let this thing go. Booyah! Obviously the retraction works. Finito! Project is done. Giraffe Tools hose reel is up. Pole is sturdy. We're good. Alright, this was a tough one, but another DIY project in the books. I'm hoping this thing lasts until I move to my next house. Alright, and to top this video off, my subscriber shout out is gonna be Vito, one of my biggest supporters. I appreciate you, Vito. I love seeing those pictures that you post on Instagram when you're in those planes. I would never want to be up there with you, but I love the pictures. Beautiful pictures, brother. So that'll wrap it up for this episode of Girls Lawn DIY. Catch you guys later, and thank you for watching.